I want to buy the Dangote refinery stocks once it is out. So I need you to watch me register on the Nigerian Stock Exchange so that once the stock is out, I get to know. I'll be one of the first people to know. Okay, let's go and register. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser, then type in invest.ngxgroup.com. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. So once it opens up, you're going to have something like this. This is how the website looks like. So you're going to go ahead, tap on the menu bar at the top right, and create an account or sign in. So I'm going to create an account since I don't have one. So you tap in your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, and then you go ahead and set your password. Now, they are going to offer to give you a password, suggest a password for you. You can go ahead with that, but if you want, you can also type in a password of your choice. I had to do that. I had to take the second option. So anyone that works for you is fine, right? After that, you're going to save and continue. So I'm going to cut this part. So after filling out the details, we're going to check the terms and conditions, then tap on get started. Then they're going to send an OTP to your email account. So you just fill out the OTP and then get to this page, brokerage information. So if you already have your CSCS number from your Bamboo or Free Invest, you want to click on that button and then go to your AfriInvest or Bamboo like I'm doing right now and go and get your CSCS number. Once you get your CSCS number, I'm going to go back to this page and then continue your registration. It's loading. So once it's done, it's finally going to tell you, okay, you have access to, based on your CSCS number, you have access to your account. So you just go ahead and say, yes, proceed. So you proceed. Once you proceed, you're going to then come to this page. So from here, you want to go ahead and complete your profile, type in your NIN, BVN. So you want to get all this information ready, and then your next of kin name, mother's middle name, all of that stuff. After all that information is filled out, you're going to be redirected to this page. This is where you type in the login details that you use to create the account. Remember to save it so that it'll be easy for you to sign up. So once you are done, you are in. So you've successfully created an account with the Nigerian Stock Exchange so that once the refinery or Dangote refinery stocks is listed, you will be among the first to know. So that's how you register. Now, if you do not have your CSCS number, you can sign up on Bamboo or AfriInvest. Any of the two is fine. Once you sign up and you successfully verify your Bamboo account, then you can copy the CSCS number that you have on Bamboo or AfriInvest and then use it to sign up on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So the process is quite easy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you so much. Make sure you follow me for more.